Welcome. In this video, we'll learn to create participation or appreciation certificates which are provided in conference or some other similar events. In LaTeX, we can easily create either a landscape or a portrait oriented poster. Here I have one sample which we'll create. For creating such certificate, we need two logos, one institute logo, one conference logo, one background image, and a signature. Here I have one background image, conference logo, institute logo, and sample signature. I have one text file which I'll open. Document class is text article. This class provides some additional font sizes. First of all, we'll write all the text. Conference title, name of organization, certificate of appreciation or participation, and then main content. Now we'll add logo. So for logo, we need to add package graphics. One logo before conference title and one logo after conference title. Width, no need to worry about the formatting. In the next step, we'll set the margin using geometry package. Also, we'll select the font using times package. Here for image and conference title, we'll use mini page environment. For image, I'll take 0.1 of the total line width. For conference title, I'll take less than 0.8. Also, we need to use hfill after end mini page. There should not be any vertical spacing. This we can put in center using centering command. Here logo size we can increase. In the next step, we'll set the page orientation. Here we can use landscape. We need to remove the page number. Just write page style. Empty. Font size we can change. Also boldface, BF series. We can also set the line spacing using set space package. Default I'll take 1/2 spacing. This one I'll take a little bit smaller, and this one I'll do it in normal size. Now these two lines I'll put in center. Again mini page. Here we will add some vertical spacing. Copy this. We'll also remove the paragraph indentation. So go to preamble and write set length par indent 0 point. Alright. Rule length we can increase. For this part I'll take double spacing. This I'll put at the bottom of the page using vfill command. Also single spacing. Font size is small. This one also we can put in mini page. Now we'll add this background image. For this we need to use one package which is known as ESOPIC. Then at this place use add to ship out picture bg. Then include graphics. This is bg4. We need to set width and height. You can create the background image for certificate using PowerPoint, Microsoft Publisher, Photoshop or any other software. In the next step we will set the color. For this we can create one style. We can use mathcal command. For putting it in bold face we can use a bold symbol command with the help of AMS math package. Here either we can insert a rule or we can directly insert signature if you have. Here we can add more than one mini pages. Once your certificate is completed, you can take print out and fill the remaining part, or you can directly fill the remaining part. Alright, so in this way you can create any certificate in landscape or in portrait orientation. That's all. Thanks for watching.